Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. I thought we'd do something different and we'll go for a little night drive and just see where it goes. As you can see, it's currently 20 to 11 at night and I only had 21 miles left in the tank. So our first mission is to go get some petrol. That didn't go to plan. Tesco's petrol station is shut, so I now have, well, according to my thing, no miles left, and I need to find a petrol station quickly. So 30 quid, just over half a tank later, we can actually go for a drive without the worry of breaking down. I was actually getting ready to phone one of my mates to be like, I need you to come out with some petrol now. Let's go for a drive. This is why I wanted to do a night drive, because obviously the road looks different. The road's basically dead. There's only a couple of cars on the road, and we can actually like not put our foot down as such, but like, you know what I mean, like put our foot down that bit more without a worry of someone driving 20 mile an hour in a 50 mile an hour zone. Don't want to go above the speed limit. I'm a good boy like that. Don't break speed limit, kids. I also want to apologise because I have missed 2 weeks. I've been quite busy and work and whatever, and I've just been tired, and as much as I've wanted to upload, I've not had the energy to actually go out and film a video, so I didn't want to make a video with no sort of enthusiasm or any kind of entertainment to actually want to watch the video, if you know what I mean. So yeah, kind of let it go for a couple of weeks, but we're back, and hopefully we stay back and we can have some fun. She pops. I hope the camera picked that up. I'm about to jump on the motorway now. Kind of went to find a open road, and the closest road to where I was the this road onto the motorway. So that's what we went with. Bumpy roundabout. bit of fun. You, the VXR, or whatever you drive, just have a bit of fun. That's why I love this car. It just is that bit of fun you need now and again. Overtaken by a van. Just sat doing the speed limit. Just overtake me. Naughty boy. Breaking speed limit. It's not good. It's not good. For this junction, because there's a road down here which allows us to open up a bit. I've never been around this roundabout and not had to sit at a set of lights. They've never been green all the way around. Never. Road, and we're going 40 because of a Kia Picanto. Nice. Fun fact, that junction we just went past was a junction that car pulled out of me, and I was going 6 miles an hour and I had to stand on my brakes. Yeah, that was a shock. Oh, the Kia's put his foot down a bit here now. We're up to 50. We're getting there. 0 to 60 eventually in that Kia, surely. Oh, it's turning off. Good lad. Good lad. Get out of the way. video. Not do too much, so all you hear is the wind. Who said Corsas weren't fun? They've never driven the VXR. Hopefully as well, it'll either be next week or the week after. I should be getting some mud flaps to put on the VXR, and I can't promise anything, but I might be able to get my hands on a discount code. So if you want some as well, you can put a discount code in and get them at a cheaper price. Happy days. So I'm gonna go find somewhere to pull over, and then we'll call the video there. Well, this video has cost me 0.1 of an MPG, and I had 221 when I filled up. We probably did about 10 miles, and I have 190 miles left now, but it was worth it for you guys. So hopefully you enjoyed. Leave a like if you did, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.